This is by far the largest I have ever seen.
As long as I've worked here since 2019, I've never seen this kind of a turnout.
So it is a cold morning here on March 6th, 2025, but that's not going to stop everybody from trying to get their hands on an RX 9070 and RX 9070 XT. One thing that we're very excited about is our inventory. We have plenty of the 9070 XT available at microcenter and from all of the brands that you would want, like ASRock, Gigabyte, Asus, PowerColor, Sapphire, XFX. This is really awesome.
This is by far the largest I have ever seen. I've been through many of the launches, probably 5 or 6 launches.
We had hundreds of people come to the store and it's been an absolute crazy time.
So we're letting people in right now and people are picking their cards at this moment in BYO. And I gotta say, the line is huge. The line is actually wrapped all the way down the parking lot and it's a big crowd today. Everyone's very excited about this launch.
Talked to a lot of people that said this is the final piece for their build, and this is by far the best value, best consumer-focused release we've seen. That's been huge and a really good timing.
Finishing a build I've been sitting on for a few months.
Really?
Last parts I need for it, so I'm excited.
Have you been waiting for this specifically?
I've been waiting specifically for this.
So we were just trying our very best to make sure that we got everybody taken care of as fast as we could. We were all super hyped when we were getting ready to open those doors. Everyone was super excited.
So actually I did just buy a 5070 yesterday, but I'm gonna return it, save myself. I could only get the overclocked one for $700 yesterday, so I'm gonna return that and then save myself some money. $700 for overclocked 5070 was kind of crazy,
right.
Where I could get this for 600 and performs about the same, if not better. Feel bad for all the people still out there, but they do have a lot of cards, so.
There's plenty to go around.
It went really smoothly. I was really proud of all the guys we worked with today. Managers absolutely crushed it. Tom was running up and down the aisles like a madman, getting those cards up to the front. Brad was over there supporting all of us, and it was awesome.
We're really excited about how easy it was to, go through the process. We're microcenter fans, so I'm trying to expand my animation rendering. So,
oh really?
Yeah, I'm really excited for this one. I do fractal animations, and I'm trying to get into an art show in Shortland.
You've had the option to get MSRP, to get some really nice AIBs, to go crazy, or just get whatever you wanted. It's been a lovely experience. There's not been a single person that I've talked to yet that has walked away from not getting a card. We've had plenty of inventory. Everybody has gotten exactly what they wanted. Maybe there's 1 or 2 people that have had to get their next choice in graphics card, but we've still had plenty to give people. I can't stress enough how beautiful that is.
First of all, what have you got here?
I've got an AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT.
That's awesome. So what are you planning on doing with that?
Putting in a new build. I haven't built a PC since the Vega 64, so I'm ready.
Okay.
Ready to have an upgrade. It's been a long time.
And how long were you in line?
2.5 hours.
Not bad. Okay.
Yeah.
At least you don't have to stay too long, right?
No, but I drove an hour and a half here, so.
Really?
Yeah, I came after work. I got off at 4 a.m. and I was like, I'm ready to get a new graphics card.
Today's the day, man.
Yeah.
I mean, above my expectations. I mean, I was expecting it to be pretty big, but as long as I've worked here since 2019, I've never seen this kind of a turnout for at least an AMD video card launch. So that's been a very nice surprise.
I'm gonna be excited to finally have something that can run Baldur's Gate 3.
Ooh, okay.
So that'll be nice.
That's gonna be really good.
Yeah.
So you're doing a whole new build now, huh?
Oh yeah. It's been about 9 years since I upgraded. I think. I got the Red Devil just because a friend of mine recommended it. It said it was a little more future-proof than the other ones, I guess.
The anticipation was pretty big, especially after the reviews launched yesterday. And the price points, and my team was very excited to be a part of something like this. So
Very, very happy with all the things we've done over here. Very, very happy with microcenter in general, and it's been so much fun.
Vibes in line were great. We were having a blast.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy that. Thank you.